There's a blizzard coming on, and I'm wishing I was home. All my pony's lame, and he can hardly stand. Listen to that northern sigh. If we don't get home, we'll die. But it's only 7 miles to Marianne. Yeah, it's only 7 miles to Marianne. You can bet we're on a mine, or it's nearly supper time. And I'll bet there's hot biscuits in the pan. Lord, my hands feel like they're froze, and there's a numbness in my toes. But it's only 5 more miles to Marianne. Yeah, it's only 5 more miles to Marianne. That wind's howling, and it seems mighty like a woman screams. And we best be a-moving faster if we can. And just think about that barn with that hay so soft and warm. For it's only 3 more miles to Marianne. Yeah, it's only 3 more miles to Marianne. Dan, get up, you want to cuss? Or you'll be the death of us. You know, Dan, I'm so weary, but I'll help you if I can. All right, Dan, perhaps it's best if we stop a while and rest. Or it's still 100 yards to Marianne. Yeah, it's still 100 yards to Marianne. Late that night, the storm was gone, and they found him there at dawn. You know what, he made it, but well, he just couldn't leave old Dan. Yeah, they found him there on the plains. His hands were kind of froze to the reins. He was just 100 yards from Marianne. He was just 100 yards from Marianne.